Try to Curious Knock and Learn for more fun learning videos, art and craft activities, nursery rhymes, and kids' educational adventures.
Hi friends! I'm Mia and this is Leo. Today we're making a walking rainbow water experiment. First, let's gather our materials. Let's fill every other glass with water. And leave the glasses in between empty. Let's add our colors. Red, yellow, and blue. Now let's stir the colors. Stir until the water looks bright and beautiful. Wow! Let's make bridges! The water will use them to travel. Whoa! Wow! Wow! The water is walking through the paper towels. Yay! Look, orange! And green and purple too. Today we learned that water can travel through paper towels. This is called absorption. We also learned that colors mix to make new colors. Thanks for learning with us.
See you next time for another fun science adventure. Bye! Subscribe to Curious Knock and Learn for more fun learning videos, art and craft activities, nursery rhymes, and kids' educational adventures.